Hey there, are you tired of getting vague predictions that just don't cut it? Well, today we're diving into something truly special, the Lu Run, Da Le Run, the royal art of Chinese divination. Now let's explore why this ancient technique is so powerful. Did you know that the Lu Ren can tell you not only if something will happen, but also when, where, and under what circumstances? It's like having a crystal ball that actually works. But here's the thing, it's incredibly complex. The core of the Lu Run uses 12 earthly branches arranged in a circle, with various overlays adding layers of meaning. Each configuration gives you a lesson, which is your reading for the moment. There are 64 possible lessons, just like the I Ching's hexagrams. Both systems reflect the same belief that there are 64 fundamental situations in human experience. What makes the Lu Ren so special? It's its incredible specificity. Imagine knowing exactly when a big business deal will go through or precisely when it might rain. That's the kind of precision you get from this ancient art. Now, let's talk about the 12 heavenly generals. Each one represents different forces that influence your life. 1. Azure Dragon, Qinglong, brings joy and new growth. 2. Vermilion Bird, Zhuqit, deals with communication, both good and bad news. 3. Moving Soldier, Teng Se, creates suspense and anxiety but also forces action. 4. Go Zhun, Go Chun, indicates stagnation, delays, or disputes over land. 5. White Tiger, Baihu, can be dangerous or a force for major transformation. 6. Tai Chong, Tai Chong, is about food, hospitality, and social gatherings. 7. Xian Wu, Shen, deals with theft and hidden matters. 8. Tai Yin, Thin, focuses on privacy and behind-the-scenes work. 9. Celestial Empress, Kan Ho, brings nurturing support and maternal energy. 10. Celestial Official, Teng Gui, is all about authority, nobility, and high status. These personified forces help you understand the different types of energies at play in your life. Now, why does personification work? Modern psychological research shows that our brains process information about agents, people, or personified forces more efficiently than abstract data. The 12 generals give you a mental model for understanding these forces. Compared to other divination systems like the I Ching and bazi, the Lu Ren is harder to learn but offers more detailed answers. It focuses on specific questions rather than general life analysis. So, if you're ready to take your predictions to the next level, specifically, that is, the Lu Ren might just be for you. Subscribe to HanMystica for more ancient wisdom and dive deeper into this fascinating practice. Stay curious and keep exploring.